Yes, conservatives. Conservatives came during this liberal, radical, and conservatives. They were the three types of groups formed. They believed in a system which accepted all religions. Correct? The liberals and democratic and radicals were the expression of Italian liberalism in the upper middle class, like cities, bourgeois, business owners, and artisans. In the alliance together, they were also a main group of radicals. Also supported the right to vote and public school for all children. Liberal Democrats and radicals they were. Okay. Now, conservative liberalism is a variant of liberalism, combining liberal values and policies with conservative stances, or simply representing the right wing of the liberal movement. Less radical and variant classic liberalism. Both are, they all try to, conservatives seek to preserve. I say conserve the jungle, green life, forest, conservation of forests. You cannot cut down trees. Deforestation is not allowed. You have to keep the earth safe and sound. Don't dig up too much. No erosions, no building constructions, no excavation. So conserve your resources. So conservatism is the resources of what? Institutions such as religion, parliamentary government, and property rights, with the aim of emphasizing social stability so that we can continue to live. Same as the ecosystem. Are you understanding my point? What is they want to have lower taxes, form a small government, more transfers of federal government powers to, it's like that. We are going to conserve. So together, what happened? Conservatives, liberals, and radicals from Russia it started. Who were they? They were a group of the Russian society who wanted to change Russia and wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They did not believe in universal adult franchise and felt that man property should be mainly have the right of vote. Liberals. Radicals were a group of people who wanted a nation in which the government was based on a majority of country's population. Conservatives, they were a group of people who opposed the radicals and the liberals and believed that the past had to be respected and a change had to be brought through a slow process. Got my point? So, progress of Russian Revolution, the First World War and the Russian Revolution, events and effects of February and October Revolution of Russia, social changes that take place in Russia. So we are at that part, at the age of social change in your book. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way which society was structured. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted to complete a transformation. Some were conservatives while others were liberals or radicals. You got my point? Understood? I hope I was able to explain it to you. Now, again I'll say liberals, as per your book, if I go, it says liberals, radicals and conservatives. Just a heading. Industrial society and social change will happen only because there was a change in the liberals, radicals and conservatives. What these three groups wanted. Liberals wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They argued for an elected parliamentary government subject to laws interpreted by well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. They were not democrats. Democracy they didn't want. But they wanted the laws. An elected parliament should be there. Only the voting should be there between themselves. Liberals. Radicals wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of country's population. What type of people are there in that country? Whatever population is there, the nation government will be in that. They dislike the concentration of property in the hands of a few, not the existence of private property. The person who is in charge of the property will be in charge of the property, no one else. Existence of private property. Conservatives, they resisted the change. After the revolution, they started accepting change provided it was slow and it had links and respected the past, root cause, like the radicals. Okay, so this is how it happened. This brought the revolution into Russia, and Russia was the main cause of socialism, the social change. One of the groups which looked to change the society were the liberals. Liberals wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. We should remember that at this time European states usually discriminated in favor of one religion or another. Europeans. Britain favored the Church of England, Austria and Spain and favored the Catholic Church. Total of Europe discriminated in the favor of one religion. Liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. They wanted to safeguard the rights of individuals against governments. They argued for a representative elected primary government subject to laws interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. That no one could interfere with them. They don't want dynasties, one after another, his son, his son, his son, his son. However, they were not democrats. They did not believe in universal adult franchise. They did not want everyone to vote. That is the right of every citizen to vote. They felt men of property mainly should have the vote. They also did not want the women to vote for them. That is the right of private property. In the contrast of both of them, the radicals wanted a nation in which the government was based on the majority of country's population. Many supported women suffragette movements of right to vote. Unlike liberals, they opposed the privileges of great landowners. And wealthy factory owners. They were not against the existence of private property but disliked the concentration of property in the hands of few. Why will only these people have land? Why don't we get land? And why will they get power? Why don't we get the power? So these things were happening between them. Conservatives were opposed to radicals and liberals. After the French Revolution, however, even conservatives have opened their minds to the need for change. Earlier in the 18th century, conservatives had been generally opposed to the idea of change. They opposed to it. But by the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable but believed that the past had to be respected and change had to be brought about through a slow process. Such differing ideas about social change clashed during the social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. The various attempts at a revolution and national transformation in the 19th century helped define both the limits and potential of these political tendencies. Before the movie, we see a movie, we come to know that there is a playback. isn't it? We see a playback, someone is shooting, he died, someone shot him, he died, he fell down. Why did he fell down? We have to go back. So we have to go back to know the socialism, actually what happened in the French Revolution, why did socialism change, how did it change. So because of these people, radicals, liberals and these conservatives, these things kept on, they all wanted things to happen, but they wanted it to happen in their own way, which was not possible. You have to come to a point of understanding, which took time, and it did happen. So it started with the industrial change and the social change. Okay, industries started to change, a social change, industrial society change, the right of women to vote came in. Okay, so all these things happened. We'll discuss it slow by slow. Then the coming of socialism into Europe. Okay, so we'll do that and I'll explain it totally to you. The support for socialism, what happened in the 1870s, everything I'll give in details, and after that we will start the Russian Revolution from 1914. Okay, there was an October Revolution 1917 also, then the Russian Empire 1914. We'll come to know all about that and we'll do it. It will be just easy. So you have to get down to the subject, you have to go into it. It's not only question answers, please. Question answers only for playing your match, that is your exams. Like you play cricket, you have a ball and bat, so many overs you have to bat. So like question answers are so many overs, you have to score within that. But to know about it, you have to read the book and understand. Okay, so take care, be safe, stay home, stay happy, take care of your parents, love them as much as you can, respect them, don't upset them, and teach them some physical activities, taekwondo as I said. You'll have fun. God bless, take care, and see you guys soon in your next class. Bye bye.